Junior! Did you just throw that water balloon? Junior! I swear to God, if you throw that stupid water balloon, I'm... Junior, what the... Bowser!
Go in the hole? But Jeffy, you just wasted all the popcorn!
Junior, come here! No!
Screw you, gang! That's it. This is what I think about stupid corn dogs. Basketball. Jeez.
Listen! What? No, don't! Poor boy. Let me.
All right, guys, how do I look? Oh my God!
Yeah.
Why? Wait, no. I hate Fortnite! I was so close! Where are they at? But you're done! Jeffy, what are you doing?
I'm taking the TV!
You're not taking the TV, Jeffy!
Watch me, bitch!
Whoops.
Jeffy, what the hell?
All right, let me get the camera. What?
Doing this.
You can make phone calls with it. You put it up to your ear and your mouth.
Put in my mouth?
Yeah, you can put it not in your mouth.
You need to cool off, Thomas. Have a little drink. Have a little. Kid?
You didn't fix it, you broke it! Now my dad's gonna ground me!
Bam! 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 Bam!
Stop!
Bam!
Stop!
Bam! 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 Stupid Xbox!
No, but me, bro, I think.
Trick.